Will AI replace your job by 2026? This is gonna blow your mind. Most headlines are wrong about AI and jobs. Let's cut through the hype. AI is already reshaping IT marketing design, customer support, automating code tests, personalizing ads, generating mockups, answering routine tickets. Reality check, roles heavy on repetitive tasks are most at risk. Data entry, basic QA, some call center work. Jobs that require complex judgment, creativity, human empathy, senior engineers, strategists, therapists are far safer. Even better, AI creates new work. AI trainers prompt engineers, ethics, auditors, data storytellers. How to stay relevant? Learn AI tools, sharpen domain expertise, build communication and critical thinking skills. Be curious, adapt fast, own the tech. Don't fear it. Add subtitles. Subscribe for more AI and career future content.